If there are no brackets or parentheses or braces in your problem, you can pretty much skip that and go on to the next, which is the E in PEMDAS. And it stands for exponents. Not all problems have exponents, but the higher you get into math, the more you will come across a number that, for example, is 4 and has a small number above it, like that, kind of above and off to the side. And this is called an exponent. And it tells you how many times you're going to multiply the base, which would be 4 in this case. So I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to multiply 4 times itself 2 times. That's my exponent. If I have 4 to the third, I would be multiplying 3 4s. Now, a squared basically is, if I took a square, and you know a square has the same dimensions, you have a 4 for the height and a 4 for the width, and if I multiplied 4 times 4, I would get an area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And 4 times 4 is 16. If I was to take a cubed, this is called a square, it's 4 squared, that's how you read that. It would be 4 squared. That's how you read that, this number right here. This one would be 4 cubed, because you have 3 4s. That's what your exponent tells you. This exponent tells you to multiply the base by itself 3 times. And if I was to draw this out, you would get like a cube. So that box has some, you could put something into that box. So this cubed would be 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16, and then I have to multiply it by 4 again because I have 3 4s. Here's 1 4, 2 4, and 3 4s. So that would be 24. That would be 64. I could get 64 of these small little boxes into the container. So those are called exponents. And you can, these are 2 examples of very ordinary ones. You'll see those a lot in upper math. You may have already seen them in your textbooks already. I see them in 5th grade textbooks. Maybe yours has it sooner. So you can have exponents like 2 to the 7th, 2 to the 9th power. So the exponents are any base number with an exponent, a small number here. This one would mean 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And obviously, it keeps going. If I had 7 as my base and 2 as my exponent, this would mean 7 times 7. At any rate, if you see any exponents in your line of equation that you have to do, several steps, lots and lots of numbers side by side, if there are any exponents, those are done. There's another one called square root, and that is another kind of a doubles, really, if you know your doubles. This square root sign is kind of a curvy. It looks like the division symbol, except there's this part in the front. This is not a division symbol. This is a radical symbol. That's another term, radical, in upper math. If you had like 49 radical 49, this breaks down to 7 times 7. So we're going to be able to use our doubles that you learned in multiplication over and over again. There's lots of different ways to simplify radicals using your multiplication tables. So the second step, order of operations, is exponents and roots.